Hey, in this video we'll talk about the Bonk price prediction, and right now we're standing at a very important level on the daily chart at the 10 AMA, and we're waiting to see how price will react to this right here, to the 10 EMA right here, right below the VWAP for the daily chart. And it just passed through the point of control. The pump was because of Bitcoin, and we want to see if we have a strong movement or not. Obviously this video is not financial advice. So in general, right here we have primarily bearish momentum because we can see the buys versus sells. Because of this dump, we have a fair value gap on the daily chart that keeps getting filled. So I'm gonna start adding two shorts right here. I'm gonna place the first short right now, and I'll add more shorts as price goes to these levels right here. So if we pump a little bit higher, I'll add more to the short and take profit at to make it like super safe. I want to do 14,657, which would be a 5% move, basically, or 4% from now. So 4.2%, that's actually very good. This is how I'll be trading Bonk. If you want to learn more about my strategy, I'm on 281 grand trading meme coins. There will be links in the description down below for my signals chat to follow my trades and for my core